Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel and सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर तुमी जिंगा सुट्यां पळयतात तुमी देव बरें करूं तुमकां की तुमी भायल्या देशांत सुट्यां पसून पळयतात तुमी आनी रांदतात तुमी तर टुडे आय एम कम अप विथ अ गोवन करी okay, no oil, no onion, no garlic, and it is sorak, and another way to say is shurak. Okay, so no oil, no onion, no garlic. What we need one whole coconut grated, fresh coconut grated, one big one, so approx like 200 grams of grated coconut. These are Goan or button chilies, small chilies I have taken 4, then 3 of Kashmiri red chili, little bit of tamarind. Then what else we will be adding to this masala is this 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds. Okay, so these are the 2 ingredients, and yes, coriander seeds will be 2 teaspoon. Okay, so this all we need to grind, and this is what we need else. So this is Bhendyeche Sorak or bhindi curry. So I have taken 100 grams for 200 grams of coconut. So let's cut this into smaller pieces. So chop this out. Tip, if you don't want then you cut, but if you can, it's nothing to keep this. And cut it like this and check if anything is there inside, then open and see and take out which is not wanted. And wash this before cutting. A tip for you all, like if you want to check the bhindis are good, yep, like this sound has to come while buying. Take tender one, okay? Check and take. So these are cut. Now we'll grind this in water, okay? And while we are cooking, we can add little bit of tefas. That is optional. So we'll grind this to a fine paste. Here is our paste is ready. Let's make now our sorak. So take your vessel and add this paste. बारीक वाटून घेयात, ओके? मोठो जरी जाल्यार मागीर तितलें बरें लागना. गुंचण्यार वाडटा जाल्यार मातसो टायम लागतलो. So I'm saying we make a fine paste. We'll add water to this, around 2 cups. Add the water. 2 cups or how you want, okay? Thickness is up to you. So I think so we'll add little bit of more to this. 1 more cup. Okay, so So now we will give a boil to this. So we just give a boil to this. This recipe many months one of my follower had asked me, but cooking is so much and I am cooking different types of curries and you can't just upload every day like 2 3 1 so yeah, I remember today because Bindi was there, so I thought I will make it for my that follower. Hope she will watch this. So we'll give a boil. So now the boil is coming. So we'll add our ladyfinger, that is bhindi, to this okra. Ladyfinger, bhindi, okra. Bhende. See, in Konkani it is bhende. In English it is ladyfinger. Another word is okra. And Hindi it is bhindi. So let's put this R. Bhindi, bhende. Make the gas slow. Put this. And we will add our salt to taste and we'll cover and cook this till the bhendis get cooked. Salt to taste. Okay. Cover and cook this till the bhindis get cooked. 10 minutes. I'm adding some tefal to this. It gives nice aroma. Add this here and cover. And lastly, you can add 1 green chili on top. This you can remove the seeds. Okay, remove the seeds. We'll add our chilies now. I've removed the seeds. And here is our Bhendyeche Sorak is ready. As the bhindis are on top, they are light and they are cooked. Hope you will all enjoy this and make this no oil, no onion, no tomato and no garlic. And enjoy this okra or bhindi curry, which is Sorak. Thank you. Goan Sorak, Bhendyeche Sorak or Sorak, no onion, no garlic, no oil, no tomato. Try this recipe and enjoy.